A is for airplane flying so high, zooming through the big blue sky. B is for ball so bouncy and round, rolling and giggling all over the ground. C is for car with headlights bright, zooming through the city at night. D is for duck, swimming so free, quack, quack, quack by the pond and tree. E is for eggs, cuddled in two, hatching chicks saying peek-a-boo. F is for frog, jump, splash, play, ribbit, happy all day. G is for giraffe, tall and sweet, nibbling leaves for a tasty treat. H is for horse, galloping fast, running through meadows, having a blast. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy, melts so quickly in my tummy. J is for jellyfish, glowing bright, floating softly in the night. K is for kangaroo, hopping around, boing, boing, boing on the grassy ground. L is for lion, brave and strong, roaring loudly all day long. M is for moon, shining high, smiling gently in the sky. N is for nurse, helping with care, always kind and always there. O is for octopus, swimming with grace, wiggly arms in the ocean space. P is for pumpkin, orange and round, smiling faces can be found. Q is for queen with crown so bright, waving hello in golden light. R is for rabbit, soft and shy, hopping under the sunny sky. S is for star, twinkling up high, winking at us in the night sky. T is for tiger, bold and neat, sleeping softly with padded feet. U is for umbrella, red and wide, keeping us dry when raindrops slide. V is for van, zooming away on a bright and happy day. W is for watermelon, juicy and sweet, a summer treat that can't be beat. X is for Xmas tree, shining bright, glowing colors in the night. Y is for yacht, sailing free across the waves of the deep blue sea. Z is for zebra, black and white, stripes that sparkle in the light.